If you've ever wondered about the exciting possibilities of harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create stunning videos, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of content creation, and guess what? It's going to be 100% free. Yeah, you heard me very well. The challenge is that every tool or website that we are going to use in the creation of our first video will be totally free. So let's just stop wasting our time and start crafting our very first video without spending a dime. In order to create our first YouTube video using completely free AI tools, we first need to come up with a plan. So let's sketch it up together. We are splitting our workload into 3 major segments. First, idea and planning. Second, software. And finally uploading the maiden video into your YouTube channel. Naturally, when you decide to launch a YouTube channel, you probably already have a concept in mind for the content you wish to share. However, if you haven't quite figured it out yet, don't fret. You can always seek inspiration from things that truly ignite your passion. And, if you're looking for niche ideas, ChatGPT is here to assist you, and it won't cost you a thing. Now, once you've settled on the perfect niche that fuels your inspiration, the next step is to craft your inaugural video script. And here's the good news, you don't have to stress about writing it all by yourself. We're simply going to enlist the help of ChatGPT to take care of that for us too. For our debut video, we're going to keep things delightfully uncomplicated. Our plan is simple. We'll provide a voiceover for the script and pair it with captivating visuals or an animated character. Then do some basic editing, adding some background music for example. That's all it takes to create a fantastic first video. With our finished inaugural video in hand, we're all set to upload it to our YouTube channel. But there's one more essential step, let's make it stand out. We will need a compelling title, an inspiring description, carefully selected tags, and a contemporary eye-catching thumbnail to complete the package. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first video. Now, let us put our plan into action and make it a reality. As previously discussed, we will be utilizing ChatGPT to craft our inaugural video script. Imagine you're passionate about the world of fascinating trivia and interesting facts. Our inaugural video then will be titled 10 Intriguing Facts You Must Discover. Now that we have the concept established, let's begin shaping it. To begin, please open ChatGPT in your web browser, and let's provide it with the prompt to generate our script.
I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it.
After obtaining the script, you have the option to request ChatGPT to regenerate it if you're not happy with the initial output. Alternatively, you can refine your prompt to achieve more precise results. Once you're satisfied with the script, copy it using the provided icon and save it for our next step.
Why try so much to get back? That's something you thought
Now that we have our final script, we're ready to create an AI voiceover for it. There are numerous websites that offer this service in the market, but we'll stay true to our promise of using entirely free tools for this video. This is why we will use the TTSMaker website to complete this task. To begin, please open the TTSMaker website in your web browser. As you can observe, the website is user-friendly and straightforward to navigate. Paste your script, make any necessary adjustments, select the ideal voice, and generate your audio. Afterward, download and save the audio for the next step. We are using a simple sentence for demonstration purposes. You can input scripts with up to 10,000 characters for free.
Hi guys. Today we gonna see together how to create our first YouTube video 100% free.
Don't hesitate to divide your script into multiple sections to create multiple audio files and combine them later. For this step, we'll use Adobe Animator, which is still available for free. After opening it in your browser, locate the Animate from Audio option and click on it. Adobe provides a wide array of characters to choose from. Select the one that best suits your script. In this instance, we'll continue with Lucy. You also have the option to select a background from the provided choices, or you can keep it transparent for future adjustments. Make sure to enable the Enhance Audio option, then click Browse to select the audio file. Allow Adobe to do the heavy lifting for us.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker.
Hi guys. Today we gonna see together how to create our first YouTube video 100% free.
Join the army of the shadows. Going harder. We are more than numbers. Standing in the
Once the process is complete, save the project and move on to the editing phase.
louder. We are all one color.
In this segment, as previously discussed, our objective is to perform basic video editing for the existing character. This involves incorporating a visually appealing background, along with the inclusion of background music. In line with our commitment to using entirely copyright-free materials, we will rely on the Chosic website to source a suitable non-copyrighted song for our video project. Please access your browser and visit the Chosic website. Click on the Browse Library option. Upon exploring the available options, you will notice that Chosic provides a wide range of themes to choose from. For our example video, let's opt for the motivational category. Be sure to select the No Attribution option and use the search toolbar filter to specify the desired length of the music needed. Chosic will then present a selection of no copyright songs. Once you've made your choice, proceed to download and save the selected song. Now, let's return to Adobe Express and incorporate a visual background while positioning our character accordingly.
Hi guys. Today we gonna see together how to create our first YouTube video.
To enhance the video's appeal, consider adding a picture and applying animation effects, for example. Following that, you should import the background music you downloaded from Chosic and blend it with the video clip. Once this step is complete, your video is ready.
Hi guys. Today we're gonna see together how to create our first YouTube video 100% free.
Congratulations! You've just created your inaugural YouTube video. Download and save it to upload it in your channel later. As part of our strategy, the next step involves uploading your finished video to your YouTube channel. For this, it's crucial to craft an engaging title, compile an informative description, and select relevant tags. No need to fret, as you won't have to tackle this task alone. We'll utilize the assistance of ChatGPT, providing the appropriate prompts to generate these elements effectively. As a final touch, let's create an eye-catching thumbnail for your video. Once again, we'll rely on Adobe Express for this task. Here are some ideas that can serve as inspiration for your thumbnail design.